Now, a couple months ago, I asked a lot of people on Twitter if I should do this shit. Like, as a poll on Twitter, I said, should I remix Panda? And like 75% of the people said no. And then I asked them why, and they said, well, that's not the way you rap. That's not your style. You can't rap over that type of beat. You're not inclined to know. What the fuck? Listen, let me listen. Yeah. AK is the name when I drop in. No skate, but I'm crazy.
Otra más, ahí, izquierda.
I do my thing every day, very often, and never sleep at the
Tengo
top.
derecha.
Cause I love this, I'm honest. They got the potential to be the top rapper and not be forgotten. I got it. Start now with the rough crowd trying to take me down, so I let them watch me cook like a bocce. I cook in the booth. My word be the truth. Let me know now if my word's hurtful to you. Fuck you, I don't care. This is verbal abuse. Rappers say they get pussy, but in a crew full of dudes, you talking. Why you talking? Your opinions do not matter. Slow it down for a minute. Catch my breath and bring it back or back to get you, dog. I'm retro. Bars go dumb, so they be special. Took days to write this. I went through like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils, making rappers cry like bitches that's constantly watching grades. Their anatomies weird, they men, but got pussy between their legs. Kinda funny, they dummies acting, but never use their head. I'm the barber, but step to me, and I'm sure you'll catch the fade. All about this music shit, but you about to fight it. You know I'm a lunatic, losing it I might be. These lyrics, I know you fear them, they supreme like a hype beast. I'm striking out rappers like I'm pitching to them with lightning. I feast.
No, vente. Si morimos, morimos y ya. Hay otro juego. No te caigas. Papá, tú pendiente. Cuando nos empiecen nos van a disparar. Cuando nos empiece a disparar, tú disparas para atrás.
Yo voy a disparar ventana.
Voy primero.
Separado, no juntos, ¿ok?
3.
Go.
Yeah. I told you rap is the backup, only if you're trying to see the master attack, yeah, I grab you. Take you all out, wearing all black till you crawl back like a whack face faxman and y'all facts. I don't understand what to call that. They all say they got dreams, but they draw back. Too scared to fail and act hard as hell, but then cry when the labels never call back. All facts. I'm surprised I found time to do this. Ain't Michael Gordy told me to do this. He know I got the sick mind of Brutus. About time they'll see that my mind's elusive. Don't understand it, y'all couldn't see it. Then when I proved it, you didn't believe it. I take beats and tear them into pieces. I ain't even rapping, I'm straight beast. Now I don't even got fans. I got plans to be the motherfucking man. So understand, when I make it, there's no sand. From now on, just know I'm done playing. And oh boy, it makes me wonder how all you one-hit wonders. Think you run the whole game, collection for change. You should know you're never gonna run it. Act like a man, little homie, you not shit. I'm cutting all the bad out the picture of cropping. Good things, some of those who work and not sin. But right now, you left me no motherfucking option. Rappers talk, but don't do shit. It's my few making most lose it. I'd rather work at this than be snoozing. I rip through your chest like Cam Newton. Throw shit.
Voy a ir para la derecha.
Fuck.
Se fue.
Fucking tired, man. Got one more in me. You really thought I couldn't do it? Look at me now, bitch. You see the light and know the end is close. That's a consequence of going friend to foe. Back to back hits like it's over. Yo, if I'm on a track, then you know it's dope. Bar for bar, I'm impeccable. To the point and precise like decimals. Lines around the venue like Jordan just dropped a new colorway for his retro foes. You think you big like Diesel, but you Metro build. Thinking somebody better, homie, I bet the bill. Listen to like a rep the field, and that's real. You should know this every time you probably get your kills. Stay back this way, you become a digested meal. I shit on rappers with the remains of others I killed. To fill your face back looking like banana peels. I got a dark mind, don't think I made it clear for real. Anytime I get a mic, I get a rapper say you heard of. If you talking, I confront him, probably end up in a murder out of coverage. If you wanted to this industry on purpose, when I started I was nervous, but I'm breaking out of service now. It don't really matter what a motherfucker say. AK is the name in the booth and never play, never had, never did, never will, never quit. And I get what I give, but my shit every change up like a pitcher do. You keep pouring up like a pitcher do. Now you whopping brown like a midget do. You say I'm fucked up, bitch, look at you. I say fuck you and your whole crew. They said saying that would be a bold move, but you all fake it in tofu. Said I wouldn't do this, so I showed you, and I told you.
Siempre andamos con que collón, que collón.
Yeah. AK is the name when I drop in. No skate, but I'm great when I'm locked in. I do my thing every day, very often, and never sleep, but it's okay, cause I love this, I'm honest. They got the potential to be the top rapper and not be forgotten. I got this. Start now with the rough crowd trying to take me down, so I let them watch me cook like a bocce. I cook in the booth, my word be the truth. Let me know now if my word's hurtful to you. Fuck you, I don't care, this is verbal abuse. Rappers say they get pussy, but in a crew full of dudes, you talking. Why you talking? Your opinions do not matter. Slow it down for a minute, catch my breath and bring it back or back to get you, dog. I'm retro, bars go dumb, so they be me special. Took days to write this. I went through like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils, making rappers cry like bitches that's constantly watching grades. Their anatomy's weird, they men but got pussy between their legs. Kinda funny, they dummies acting but never use their head. I'm no barber, but step to me and I'm sure you'll catch the fade. All about this music shit, but you about to fight it. You know I'm a lunatic, losing it I might be. These lyrics, I know you fear them, they supreme like a hype beast. I'm striking out rappers like I'm pitching to them with lightning. I feast. Yeah, I told you rappers to back up, only if you're trying to see the master attack, yeah, I grab you. Take you all out wearing all black till you crawl back like a whack face fat. Man, y'all backs, I don't understand what to call that. They all say they got dreams, but they draw back. Too scared to fail and act hard as hell, but then cry when the labels never call back. All facts, I'm surprised I found time to do this. Thank Mike Ugarte told me to do this. He know I got the sick mind of Brutus. About time they'll see that my mind's elusive. Don't understand it, y'all couldn't see it. Then when I proved it, you didn't believe it. I take beats and tear them into pieces. I ain't even rapping, I'm straight feast. Now I don't even got fans, I got plans to be the motherfucking man. So understand, or will I make it? There's no saying, but from now on, just know I'm done playing. And no boy, it makes me wonder how well you one hit.
Buenísima, buenísima.
Run the whole game, collection for change. You should know you're never gonna run it. Act like a man, little homie, you not shit. I'm cutting all the bad out the picture of cropping. Good things come to those who work and not sin, but right now you left me no motherfucking option. Rappers talk but don't do shit. That's why few making most lose it. I'd rather work at this than be snoozing. I rip through your chest like Cam Newton. True shit.